Industrial Revolution, followed by the advances in information technology during the last century, has radically changed people's lifestyle. Although this development has helped the human race, mismanagement has led to new problems in the management of waste. Incineration of e-waste can emit toxic fumes and gases, thereby polluting the surrounding air. Improperly monitoring landfills can cause environmental hazards.
Most of the e-waste comes from metal and non-metal only. We see lead, we see iron, we see gold, we see nickel, we see chromium. These are the products which are found, which are being used to produce electronic goods. Now, to recycle them, we need to use a lot of energy, and therefore this is going to be a very expensive proposition.
In India, there are 10 states that contribute to 70% of total e-waste generated in the country. The main sources of electronic waste in India are the public and private industrial sectors, which account for most 75% of total waste generation. The contribution of individual households is relatively small at about 16%. The new rules have brought producers of electronic goods under extended producer responsibility, making them liable for collection and exchange of e-waste with targets. However, a big responsibility has been placed on the shoulders of state governments. It is their job to adequately train and protect the health of workers engaged in recycling. The key issue is how this will be done. A lot of recycling activity is informally organized, with workers being poor and ill-informed about safety issues. About 76% of e-waste workers in India suffer respiratory ailments like breathing difficulties, irritation, coughing, and choking due to improper safeguards.
If the life of the man who is working at the recycling center is in danger, it is not worth it at all. So, therefore, here the government laws, regulations, enforcement agencies have to come into picture, and then only the safety of the people who are working in such companies will be safeguarded.
Only 1.5% of electronic wastes are getting recycled every year, but the average growth is 30%. We can't blame a particular group of people for this problem. We have to fix this together. Our central government should help the state government and MNC to establish an organized functioning system to collect the e-waste from the public. MNCs should come forward to take back their products after the use. We all have to initiate it together to protect our Mother Earth. Thank you. This is Panchami Nayak on this side with cameraman Mithun Pravakar.